Welcome back, friends. It's Ali DZ with a new review. Today we are going to review the Schick Hydro Stubble Remover. So the packaging comes with one razor handle and one blade cartridge. The packaging does an excellent job highlighting all the benefits or the unique selling points of this particular razor. Flip back trimmer, that being my favorite. So a little bit about my history with the Schick razors. I used to use the Gillette Pro Glide styler or the Gillette Fusion Pro Glide, the Power Edition, and was looking for something different, something new. This was last year around this time. Reached out to Schick. They were generous enough to send me the Schick Hydro 5 Sense handle and the Schick Hydro 5 cartridges. Also in the future, they sent me the Schick Hydro 3 and cartridges for the same. And I've done videos on these two razors as well. I'll add them in the description below. Now, what I like about the Schick's Hydro range is they have these gel pods that get activated, and after every stroke you've got your guard in here that sort of stretches your skin, the blades shaving off the hair, and then these gel pods basically leave a lubricating gel or a lubrication on your skin, and that makes each and every stroke extremely smooth, extremely comfortable. The aftershave effect on your skin is beautiful. Now that is something you will find with the Schick Hydro 5 as well as the Schick Hydro 3. What they also have as a special feature on the Hydro 5 is a precision trimmer. This is something that not a lot of people are aware of. So if you want to get to the corners like your sideburns or under the nose, just hold on to the rubber guard and just flip that at the back, which is not present on the Hydro 3. And that's a feature I really miss on the Hydro range. And it's not every day you want to shave with a 5-blade cartridge razor, right? So I really wished that they had this feature on the Schick Hydro 3 razor as well. Enter Schick Hydro Stubble Remover. So I got in touch with Schick and they surely again sent me the razor with a cartridge in there, as well as a pack of 4 cartridges for testing. So let's unbox this bad boy, see what's in there. Okay, it's not one of the hardest packages to get your razor out of. Nice blue handle, it has a lot of grip on it. Very similar to the other Hydro handles, the exact same design in fact. In terms of the weight, weighs 41 grams. So that's more about the design of the product. Very simple. Comes with a comb, 3 blades, precision trimmer, the gel pods. Let's get into the shave straight away. So just put some warm water on my face. My skin's nice and clean. I've just had a shower and I've used Bulldog's face scrub. There it is, Bulldog's face scrub, the original. With the other products we're going to use today, I'm going to use Perazzo's shaving soap, and that's the sandalwood one. And the aftershave is going to be again Bulldog's aftershave balm. It's a sensitive skin version. This was again sent to me by Schick along with the razor. So Schick, thank you very much. Guys, this is as usual a non-sponsored review. I have used the razor about 3 times now already. So I'm going to lather up my face, and you will see me all lathered up very shortly. Make sure you're using a shaving brush, guys. You want to get the soap right into the hair follicles. Make sure your facial hair is ready for the shave, and your skin is ready as well, most importantly. So hold on to the plastic bit nice and firm and just push it slightly. That's your sideburns done. And under the nose done. Because I'm shaving facial hair with 5.5, 6 days, go gentle, go easy. The hair on my face grows downward, on the neck here goes downwards, and the neck on the sides goes upwards. That's exactly how I'm going to shave. Now you don't want to do the mistake of not keeping your skin stretched. Also use extremely light pressure. The traditional cartridge razors have a rubber guard that sort of stretches your skin, which you don't have in here. So make sure you keep your skin stretched as you are shaving, and you can see the gel pods sort of doing their work in there as well. Don't use a lot of pressure. It may make you feel like, you know, there's not a lot happening, but clearly it'll just wipe the hair off your face straight away. It is an extremely efficient razor. I'm going super light on it. There's a lot of hair in there. The design is amazing as well, because one swish and it's all gone. You can sort of see it's kind of transparent. All right, let's keep going. So this makes, 5-6 days worth facial hair gone in no time. And the pivot is quite comfortable as well. So it's very nice and smooth. You don't have to do a lot of work, a lot of pressure. Just keep it light and natural. Rinse the blade as often as possible, because you obviously want to avoid any sort of clogging. Don't know if you can see the gel pods doing their work, but they're definitely there. See that? Okay, so something I think I need to mention is prior to using this razor, I've been using a safety razor for 2 weeks straight. Normally when you use a safety razor, you are used to a nice smooth glide on your skin. You don't enjoy the tugging and pulling that the normal cartridge razors give you. So having said that, this particular cartridge razor does not do a lot of tugging because there's no rubber guard in there. And that to me was really enjoyable, it was a good change. So well done, Schick. I really, really like this one. Next pass I'm going to use is going to be a pass that is cross grain. Don't really think I need 3 passes with a triple blade cartridge razor, guys. So I'm just gonna go with the application of the soap. Perazzo's Sandalwood, very, very highly recommended. It smells amazing. It's a beautiful soap. Keep the skin stretched a little bit. That's going cross grain. Quite comfortable. Doesn't feel like there's any pulling, there's any tugging. It's got that lubrication that's really making the shave a lot easier. And like I said, guys, the mistake you don't want to do with this razor is take it for a mild razor and apply pressure, because it does feel like it's not doing much. But trust me, it's wiping that stubble off your face. So don't do what I did, because I did end up with a couple of weepers the first couple of times I used it. Alright, so that pretty much is a super clean shave for me, guys. Okay, so just checking for any spots that I've potentially missed. So close off the pores on your face by running cold water on or cool water on your skin, and that seals all the pores that have sort of opened up on your skin. That was a nice and easy shave. Pat your skin dry. The cloth, and then I'm going to use some aftershave. Here's the aftershave, which is, as I mentioned, Bulldog's Sensitive Aftershave Balm. It's a little bit, oops, it's a bit too much. Doesn't even have a scent to it, this one. It's got a light, I don't know, smells like bamboo, maybe? What does it smell like? Alright. Baobab, oat, and willow herb. That's what it's got in there. It's a very light scent. Long story short, would I recommend it? Absolutely yes. Schick are just super confident with their razors, because they know if I don't like something, I'm quite vocal about it. And it's amazing that they're so confident with their products. Every time I've asked them for a sample, they'll just send it to me and say, you know what, we're looking forward for a review from you. I hope you got something out of the video, guys. If you're looking for a review for it, and if it was useful, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button. Turn the bell notification on, and this way, every time I drop a video, you get to see it straight away. So it's your friend LEDZ signing off. I will see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe, stay sharp.